Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm up in Woking today and looking forward to showing you around the smallest of our Kite Predesigned studios with the combination store. So this Kite Pre-designed building is 3.5 meters wide and 3.1 meters deep. Got the French doors in there, which really does look nice. The clients have done retrofit blinds, the pleated blinds. You actually add them into the rubbers on the inside. I'll show you that in a moment. And got that combination store, so a 1.2 meter store to the right. This did have a shed here originally, so everything's gone into that store section. And then you've got this lovely, it's a garden studio. Particularly this one, I would argue, is probably being used a bit more as a man cave. With what I'm seeing inside, and it's also used in a daily office. Aluminium doors, as you would imagine from us these days, we do this on every building. The pleated blind is fitted in there. These are a retrofit blind done by the customer, but really good blackout, really does work well. Stops the heat coming in and gives the privacy. A bit more cost effective than our integrated blinds. Maybe not quite as tidy, but it still is a really nice option. Say inside being used daily as an office into that corner there. It's a really nice setup actually to do that, because that's now given a lot more space. TV on the wall, couple of nice chairs, bike in the corner. I mean, it really does work well. This space is old school 12 by 10, so not a massive space, but doing a number of things. And it's a great addition to this this property. Done with the V600 in here boarding, which is not very often we do that, but actually does look really nice. I see that. Hopefully you can just see that there with all the lighting, internet, all the features you imagine from Baker's fully installed. The heater over there, cushions being dried in here as well through the winter. So just a really lovely room. The store section I'm sure you've seen before, but all has that 10-year guarantee. Inside of that section it's unlined, but the rest of the building's lined, insulated, double glazed for all year round use. Externally, as you're sure you're aware by now with our buildings, there is no timber outside, house spec doors and windows, a full 10-year guarantee and 50-year life expectancy. So a really comprehensive project that is fit and forget with the property. That 10-year guarantee is even transferable if the client was to decide to move. So it really is comprehensive there. So there you go. That's 3.5 by 3.1 Kite Garden Room, Garden Studio with that additional store to the right. If this kind of building's of interest to you, if you want a dream man cave, or you just need that extra space in your property to use as like an extension of the house, then please do let us know. Please like, subscribe, share what you're doing. Really do appreciate it all the time, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you.